add a co-teacher. Like I have a new teacher join my class, so the class has 2 teachers at the moment. I want to add my co-teacher or my the teacher of the same class. So add co-teacher. I can see here all the teachers connected to my class, but you can add co-teacher if only you have an administration right. So maybe this it's not applicable at the moment because now I'm as a normal teacher. I'm not the administrator. Administrator is someone else who is Ahmed Galal. So now I'm just giving this demonstration as a co-teacher, as a normal teacher, not an administrator. All right, so adding co-teacher, please connect or communicate with your administrator for doing this. Okay, so now I want to promote and motivate my students and give them some points to like encourage them to go for hard work. Ahmed, I'm going to give him 1 point for Arabic vocabularies. I can add a note if I want. I can give them all 1 point for something like choosing whole class, homework. All of them, they did their homework, so I'm going to give them, all of them they will get a point. You can see here that I can also add a text or a note to the homework. Okay, if I want to give them some kind of hint or note that you didn't do your homework, you missed your homework, please next time do it or you will get a -1. So now I'm going to give him -1. Click on add note. Please do your homework, right? And post. I'm going to show you now how this message will be posted, but at the moment just I would like to show you how to give points and how to give minus points. Okay, if I did something wrong and I want to reset the whole class, you can reset the whole class using reset points, but be careful please when you use this feature because you are going to reset all the points for all the students or one student. So I can like reset all the points for Ahmed, so he will have 0 and he will lose any history. I mean with history, I mean if you give him like 2 points for homework, 2 points for Arabic vocabularies, he won't have anything. All right, so let me do this for you. Reset Ahmed points. All right, it gives you some hint about or warning what the action will be done. Reset. Done. So now you can see that everyone has 1 point except Ahmed, he has 0 at the moment. All right. So the next part is the most important function which we will use inshallah with our parents to communicate the progress, to communicate the homework, to share some photos or some actions in the class, which is very, very important to communicate what is happening in our classes to the parents, to keep them always on the same picture with us and to give them some kind of feedback. Okay, so I have here a little circle in the middle. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to share some photos, like whatever photo I have now. This is my agenda, for example, so I prepared some agenda, so I'm going to share this photo with everyone and I'll put a caption like, hi, this is the class agenda for next week. Okay, now if I press post here, it will be posted to all parents, so you can see that all parents is checked. Also, I can share it with a specific parent, so like check whatever parents you want, and then you can share it or share with everyone. So I'm going to share with everyone now. Post. Alright, so you can see that you have added a new post and you give some comments on this. Also, you can share video, text, you can share voice recording, like mashallah, if we have a Quran recitation for one of our students, we can share that. We can share our prayer, Salat al-Zuhr, we can share it with them, just to give them a kind of how the academy are doing, or the progress and activities which is always done at the academy. What else we have? Stories. Here I can see what I have shared with the parents. Alright, here you can see your class story. Alright, if I want to share another text message, I can click here. So I clicked on this area, what's happening in your classroom. Click on this and now share some text. Students are awesome today. Post. So I can see that it has been posted. You can give it like, put some comments, and this message is shared with all parents. I can delete it as well. If I click on these little three dots, I can delete or edit my post. Also, I can add a photo. Here you can see you can add video. Right, and you can add text as well. So once you swap to the right and left, you can change between photo, video, and text. And this is what we want to do always when we share the homework. So no paperwork, no physical copies to be sent back to home to the with the kids, with the students. We would like to share our progress report, our homework, always using stories. And then what's happening, you can add like today is 4th August 2018. So this is progress. Like you can say number 1, Arabic class has done blah 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 blah, number 2, number 3, number 4, and then you can add another post to send the homework with the page numbers. So all the kids, all the parents will see this message. And also for yourself, when you return back to the next class, you have an history of what has been given. All right, post. Okay, the last thing is the private messages. If I would like to send to a specific student's parent a message, or if he wants to communicate with me privately, you are going to go to messages, look at messages, here the last icon. I'm talking about Apple for sure. I'm not sure about your mobile. If it's Android, maybe it's different places, but you can say it's messages. So here it's messages. All right, click on the parent you want to communicate with, like this, say hi. Then you have a normal communication between yourself and the parent in a private room. If I would like to communicate with all parents at one time, I can do this using histories, which is beside messages, like this one, what's happening in your classroom. Or I can also do the same from messages and choose all parents. Then you can say hi everyone. Send it now to all parents. It's sent to all parents. and I hope I can covered everything, or I already covered everything. If you have any inquiries or any further questions, please